Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and wondered how in the world people get their photos to look so polished and consistent, like this? It's almost like they have a photographer that just walks around with them all day doing nothing but taking photos. It's got to be a filter, right? Well, kind of. Usually when you see Instagram feeds like this, they're using what we call a preset. In this video, I'm going to review what a preset is and how you can use it to create consistency in your photos. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or following me on Facebook because every week I release a new marketing video. And hey, if you guys are wanting even more information outside of just these weekly videos, I also have a weekly email list that you could consider subscribing to. Every Thursday, I'll hit your inbox with even more information that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. All right, so let's start talking presets. When you take a photo and go to upload it on a platform, let's say like Instagram, we all know that you have two options. Either you can just upload the photo the way it is, or you can apply a filter to it. Now, usually when people go to apply a filter, they're just going to use whatever is preloaded onto the platform that they're uploading their photo to. So let's say Instagram. Most people will just use whatever filters are available on Instagram to kind of manipulate their photo or image. But there is another option. You can actually use other apps to do the same thing. And this is where presets come in. Some of the app options that you have are a Color Story, Visco, Afterlight 2, a Snapseed, just to name a few. Now, usually when we are talking about presets, we are actually talking about a very particular app called Lightroom. Lightroom is an Adobe product. Now, before you guys say, yeah, thanks, no thanks, because it probably cost an arm and a leg, Adobe Lightroom is actually free and can be downloaded and used for free. So it's something all of us can take full advantage of. So let me explain a little more about how the preset and the Lightroom app work together. Now, typically with the preset, you are going to purchase the preset that you want or that you like. I guess you could find some out there for free, and sometimes people will give them away as freebies, but really if you're looking for a particular style or vibe, you're probably going to want to purchase one. So for example, I bought this one right here. It's called Light and Airy for $7.50. I then downloaded the Lightroom app for free onto my phone and then uploaded the preset that I had purchased. Now what I do is just upload my photos and apply the preset that I bought, and then my photos are going to consistently look like the preset I purchased. Okay, so let's dive a little further into the science, mechanics, whatever you want to call it, behind the presets. When you apply a filter to any photo or image, you are basically editing or manipulating the amount of contrast, saturation, warmth, brightness to that particular photo or image. With a preset, they have basically figured out the ideal settings for each one of those categories to give you a particular looking filter. When you upload the preset into the Lightroom app and then upload your photo and apply that preset to it, all you're basically doing is taking the saved settings from that preset and copy and pasting it into your photo to give you a particular type of look. That particular look is what starts to create the visual consistency over time. Let me show you. Here are 3 photos that I took. And then here are the same 3 photos after I applied the preset. Notice the difference? Presets can be purchased from a variety of places. You can actually buy the preset from the vendor themselves, like I did, Wild, or you can go to websites like 123presets.store or even Etsy.com to find a preset that you may like. If you aren't satisfied with the preloaded filters on some of these platforms like Instagram, and you want to give your photos a little more of that branded look and consistency over time, then I would strongly suggest that you consider using a preset. Now, I would do my homework and take my time to kind of think about how you want your images to look, because you are going to get overburdened with choices. Trust me, there are a ton of choices out there. So definitely find a preset that fits with your branding and really with the image that you want your business to portray. If you like this video, remember that every week I release a new video with information just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget, I also have a website at www.theseasonmarketer.com where I have a few freebies for you and all of my previous videos uploaded. So definitely go check that out. Thanks for tuning into another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.